Welcome to Paper to Pavement. I'm Mikey, and this is going to be a special feature on my most successful build to date. Sometimes it only takes one day and a spark of inspiration to come up with something that keeps my grass as green as anybody's. I think I'm going to make a lawnmower. I have this push mower right here, and then since I got Papaw's bike, I've got my old bike, which is just a beater. So I think I'm gonna take some bicycle parts I've got around here and that push mower and build me a cool looking little mower.
Trouble, stay away from my door. Trouble, stay away from my door. Trouble, come back, don't come around no more. Trouble, stay away from my door. Never stay away from my home. Never stay away from my home. Never go back and leave my soul alone. Never stay away from my home.
Oh my gosh, jackpot. Under that pile of scrap over here that Kevin gave me, there's an old Schwinn. It is bent all to crap. Looks like somebody's ran over it. Parts and pieces, baby. Okay, I need some curves. I think I can get a match. Look at that. I might be able to get a match here. Matches. Close enough for me. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So I'm gonna scab pieces off of this to make this work somehow. Don't know how yet, but I will figure that out shortly. Art project coming up right now. I'm just gonna wing it from now on. Just like whatever comes out, comes out. I'll let you guys know when it's all done. I'm gonna time lapse it until I'm done. I'm done. I wanna get in my tank. Here we go. I don't know what time it is. Let me see what time it is. It is. Watch out, baby. It is 10:05.
I'll be halfway to heaven with paradise waiting, just 5 miles away from wherever I am. And Daddy, won't you take me back to Muhlenberg County, down by the Green River where paradise lays? Well, I'm sorry, my son, but you're too late in asking. Mr. Peabody's coal train has hauled it away.
Okay, so I've got it pretty well all together. I've been debating back and forth whether to paint it or not. I'm not going to. I want the kids to see how it's all pieced together. And then we can paint it and they can experience the refinishing process of it. You know, I want them to recognize these parts and pieces. What I am going to do though, before I call it like done enough for them to see it, is I'm going to put a guard on the front.
Early in the morning when the sun does rise, laying in the bed with bloodshot eyes. Late in the evening when the sun sinks low, that's about the time my rooster crows. I got women up and down this creek.
It is 9:30, so I've been awake for 23 and a half hours. I don't remember when I actually started on this project, but it's officially done. All I got to do is get the pull starting, put gas in it, and we're good to go. Steering, going, so seems to be like something that'll actually work. I think it's a good idea. I'm gonna move the pickle jar out of the way for a minute. Then I'm gonna ride this thing out and make sure it moves and isn't just gonna fall.
I got people try to tell me, Red, keep this living and you wind up dead. Cast your troubles on the Lord of Lords, wind up laying on a cooling board. But I got buddies up White House Road and keep me strutting when my feet hang low.
Now,
Rock gut whiskey
all we gotta do is start that mower. It's done.
And all this running's gonna keep me sane, get me drinking that moonshine, get me higher than the grocery.
This was a complete distraction from what I was supposed to be spending those 24 hours on. I'd told Trent to come over the next morning and I would have the shop truck that I had just worked on for 40 days buttoned up and ready to do the last filming on. But the best part of running a business with your best friend is he understands my distractions.
Stand right here. Or
Okay, $0, all right? 24 hours, and I need to mow the grass out of my scrap pile, okay? Trent, this was harder than that 40 days, okay? You ready?
yeah.
Meet the pickle slicer.
What is this? Oh my God.
This is my new lawnmower.
You want to put gas in it to see if it works?
Yep. I built us a lawnmower and a little yard tractor for us, so I have $0 in it. I ain't got nothing. I'm really excited to show you guys this next evolution in the pickle slicer, because this is when I really proved that I'm not just crazy. Some of my weird ideas actually work. Check this out.
Before another day, for all your gold and silver will surely pass away.
Give me
One drop of water, the rich man cried from hell. One drop of water, but still no water fell. He always was a selfish man, his heart was filled with greed. Now a little drop of water is all he'll ever need. There's one way to heaven, it's by amazing grace, where everyone is equal, no matter.
It is a very, very green apple kind of day. I got the front door painted in its first coat. I got the pickle slicer all dialed in its new coat of paint. For $0, leftover paint from the pickle jar, and 2 days worth of work. Pretty happy with my new mower. I would like to challenge the rest of you to see what kind of mower you can buy with 2 days of your labor at work.
Hey, this thing works really, really good. I need to drop this gear where I can pedal it a little easier because I can't get it up to top speed in the yard pushing. But look how good of path it's doing.
I know.
It's really, really doing a good job. I guess it's a good lawnmower. It's a really, really good lawnmower. It's working, dude. You like it?
Following you in the back.
Thanks, man. And now my helpers want to help more. It's worth it.
No one's grass is greener. I need to do some upgrades on my mower. Concept is very good. It's a good base to build from. The seat's already broke. Need to fix it. And it's blowing stuff everywhere, so I need to build a shield, and I'm worried about my feet too. So, mower upgrades, here we come.
When your soul is lonely, sad and blue, ain't got no loving shoulders to lean on. There's always a sunny side across the river. Take a ride, take a swim, and all your worries go away. Go across the river and you'll be fine. Go counting winners, it's right down the line. You'll be alright on the sunny side.
Got the seat all made an extension so Chicky can ride there. And then I put on a handle back here so I can use it better as a detailed push mower. And then also gives her a place to put her hands. I made little foot pedals there too, out of some front forks, and I left these because I'm seeing a spot to make a hitch from those, which are the footrests for Chicky. So hopefully that lasts a little longer. It just has a spine mount. That'll be the weak point, if it is one. I don't think it is one. I think it'll be fine. But I'll put her back into motion. Next thing I need to make is a chute for the grass to flow out, but I'll probably do that another day. I don't want to spend a whole lot more time on this today. I need to get the shop clean, but we got a mower ready. And then once you get down to like where a push mower makes more sense, just get off and use it like a push mower. Like, it's easy. This thing's awesome. It's honestly one of my better ideas I've ever had in my life, probably.
You're killing it.
Yeah, getting lucky.
Lucky lady. Lady. Oh. let's go check out how much more he's got to mow. He says just the front yard. I want to get this like new handlebar thing in action.
Almost one tank. Got that one little patch, ran out.
That's what Sis said.
That's good. If I
Pretty
gear
awesome.
this thing better, I can do it faster too. You know, like back there, I was huffing it. You know, like
Yeah.
really, I can feel it in my legs, like my thighs burning more than they should be. You know, I should be able to, I mean, I want the workout, but it's too strenuous here and back here. I need to gear it, you know, I need to gear it way down. Because I can't hit the highest speed on that bike, even out on the road when the mower's not going, you know? So I need to gear it where I can get the best out of it while it's in use.
So you got almost complete. And this was the last bit of grass. Right here is the last bit of grass. He's so close.
It's actually a lot of fun.
You're getting your workout today already. And it's like 11 o'clock in the morning.
Bad boys starting to sculpt.
Jeez, I'm jealous. I need to get on board here.
Every week I tried to keep making improvements to the design to make it fun to want to go mow. And the one thing that I kept really not liking was how the grass was blowing out of the deck. So I decided to jump back into the scrap pile, grab some cardboard, grab some steel, and make a way to shoot the grass out of the deck a lot cleaner, all while keeping my feet a little farther from amputation.
Six lanes, tail lights, red ants marching into the night. They disappear to the left and right again. Another supper from a sack, a 99-cent heart attack. I got a pounding head and an aching back, and the camel's buried in a big straw stack. I'm gonna live where the green grass grows, watching my corn pop up in rows. Every night be tucked in close to you. Raise our kids where the good Lord's blessed, point our rocking chairs towards the west, and plant our dreams where the peaceful river flows, where the green grass grows.
Mowing time, mowing time, mowing time, mowing time. Absolutely love it. All that junk, that looks store-bought, you know?
Well, I'm from a map dot, a stop sign on a black top. I caught the first bus I could hop from there. But all of this glitter is getting dark. There's concrete growing in the city park. I don't know who my neighbors are, and there's bars on the corners and bars on my heart. But I'm gonna live where the green grass grows, watch my corn pop up in rows. Every night.
Be right back, Mama.
Have fun.
Not only was it a hit on my property, but I ended up figuring out a way to incorporate it as a pit bike to my Hot Wheels entry that year. It was a lot of fun getting to show the people in Arizona what kind of crazy's walking around the woods out here in Deputy, Indiana.
I'm gonna live where the green grass grows, watch my corn pop up in rows. Every night be tucked in.
let you go out in public with all these cars.
Hey, they may let us go out, but they may not let us come back, brother.
They'd be like some people's kids.
Some people's kids. Look at this. We're gonna cause a few crashes.
Whoa, where the green grass grows.
Excited?
Dude, how cool is that?
Too cool.
I just did push-ups in the desert too.
That's awesome. Be ready.
I made everything, all this, dude. We're in the Hot Wheels, boy. We're almost there. Almost there. Dude. There's a Hot Wheels backer board right there. See it? We made it, man. We made it.
Brother, what more can a guy ask for?
Out of all the builds you've watched me do on Paper to Pavement, that mower bike gets more attention than all of them. But my favorite part of that mower has been watching my kids get inspired to go outside and want to be a part of the team. I hope when they grow up, they remember us struggling through life with a smile. I always tackle every situation the best I can with a positive attitude and the best our scrap pile's got to offer. I appreciate you guys watching this feature. And please tell your buddies about Paper to Pavement on YouTube, and if you could, give us a subscribe. We need all the help we can get, and I can't wait to show you the next contraptions built right here on Paper to Pavement.
Late in the evening when the sun sinks low,